Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will try together to solve these three questions. Honestly, I take all of them online from YouTube, but I try to simplify more. Let's go directly to the important details. Here we have circuits. Calculate the resistance RA, RB, and RC at the figure below. This figure, like a triangle, we will try to simplify all of this resistance by using something like form. We will use it continuously to solve the resistance connected like that. Here are A, B equal, here that's mean RC equal, RC parallel with RA plus RB, RA plus RB because all of them are series, and here this RC is parallel with them, and RC equal dot RA plus RB divided on R total. And after that will be, I will take RC, put it between these two elements inside this brackets to be RC RA plus RC RB divided on RT. This equation number one, and RB, like we know, RAB here, let me be sure, RAB like this. I will convert this triangle to another form like star. RAB equal RA plus R1 plus R2. Let's keep going. RBC equal RA parallel, because the relation between RBC and RA, RBC and RA equal, RA parallel with RBRC, because that RBC will equal RA parallel between two brackets RB plus RC. Like here, after that, RA dot RC plus RB divided on RT. And here from the start, RAB equal R1, R2, like I said before, and RBC equal, let me show, RBC equal R2 plus R3. Keep going with RAC, RP equal RP parallel between two brackets RC plus RA, and at last RAC from the start form, RAC equal R1 plus R3. Now let's calculate the R1, R2, R3 to can calculate RA, RB, RC. Like we know here RA, here R1, here RB, here R2, here RC, here R3. RAC, like we said before, R1 plus R3. Let me show you. RAC, R1 plus R3 equal RA, RB plus RBC divided on RT. From equation number 2, RBC equal R2 plus R3, RAB plus RAC divided on RT. Let's put equation number 5 divided on inside equation number 4 here, because R3 equal, just I put it R2 with minus at the right side to be like that, RAB plus RAC divided on RT minus R2. This result of R3, let's put it inside equation number 4 to can calculate R2. Here will be like that. R2, we take it at the left side and put all of these brackets at the right side. Take R2 to the right side and all this bracket to left side to be R2 equation equal R1 plus RAC divided on RT minus RBC on RT. It's equation number 6. From equation number 1, RAB equal R1 plus R2. We will put R2 equation inside this equation number 1, to be like that. Equal RCA on RT plus RCB on RT. We will delete all these, the same result, and add the same sign, but with different sides, because that we can delete it, or we can do like that. Here R1 equal RCB on RT. We know equation of R2 equal R1 plus RAC on RT minus RBC on RT from equation number 6. 2 can calculate R2 equal RAC on RT. And from equation number 5, to can calculate R3 will be like that. R3 equal RAB divided on RT. Here RA equal RT divided on R1 RT here, R1 R2 plus R1 R3 plus R2 R3. Okay, this question number 1 is done. Here calculate the current and potential to the circuit above. We will use all these few questions to calculate the 2 next questions. Here calculate the current and potential to the current above. We know from Ohm law, V equal IR, that's mean I equal V divided on R, but here we have a big figure of resistance, because that we must simplify to one result. After that, we can use Ohm law. Let's work on the above side. Here we will convert the triangle form to star form, and by use RACB and R1, 2, 3 as a result, we will try to simplify all of these values. Here, like we know, R1 equal RBC on RT. Here, R1 equal RB dot RC divided on RT. That's mean the total. R2 equal RA dot RC divided on RT. And the last one is R3 equal RA dot RB divided on RT, the total. We calculate all of them, because that we could to form this star. Now the circuit will be like that. R1, R2, I3, I have all of these results. Here, I forget it something. Yes, the figure will be like that. Here, like that. And after that, we will simplify to something like that. Let's keep going. Now, let's calculate the Rn. Here I used Rn, that's mean the new resistance. Here we have these 3 resistance, and we can delete all of them in our mind to try to simplify all of this. we will divide the parallel resistance from the series resistance to can simplify all of this. Here, for example, R2 with 37.5 to can calculate the new resistance number one equal 50 ohm, because here R2 plus here, that's mean these two resistance are series resistance, because that we calculated R1 plus 40 ohm, R1 is here plus 40 ohm because all of these are series. R and 2 equal 50 ohm. R3 are RM, this RM. Let me show here this RM 5 ohm and R3 are series, because that we can calculate all of them to can find R and 3 equal 55 ohm, like here. Here we have two parallel equation, that's mean 50.50 divided on 50 plus 50 will equal 25 ohm, be like that. Now we can calculate all of this to be 80 ohm. From ohm law, current equal 40 divided on 80 to equal 0.5 ampere, power equal I current equal 20 watts. Here this is another example, but it's difficult from the last one, harder from the last one. Calculate the voltage and the power to the circuit above. The same two elements, we must calculate the voltage and the power like the last example, but here the resistance places are different. To solve this, we must convert this shape to triangle shape. After that, to star shape, to can find the RA, RB, RC, to can solve all the voltage and the power. Because actually we have the current, the author gave it to us, 2 ampere, like this shape. Let's calculate RA, RB, and RC. RA equal RT divided on R1. R1 equal RT divided RA. Here, from this equation, RA will equal RT divided on R1 equal 350. Our total equal 350. This R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1 equal here 350. RA equal 17.5 ohm. RB equal RT divided on R2. RB equal RT divided on R2. The total divided on R2. R2 here. RB equal the total divided on R2. Here equal 35 ohm. RC equal RT equal the total RT divided on R3. 350 divided on 5 ohm equal 70 ohm, to be like that. Now we can simplify, like example, these two values because there are parallel. We can say 150 17.5 divided on 17.5 plus 105. After that, the same thing with these two values. After that, we can deal with the series resistance by calculate all of them. R on 1 equal 20 ohm between 28 and the 70 ohm. R on 2 equal between 1.105 and 17.5 equal 15 ohm. That means all of them are series parallel. Here we can calculate all of them equal 35 ohm. Now here we have two parallel resistance. That means 35 to 35 divided on 70 equal 17.5. Current 2 ampere from Ohm law. V equal 35 volts, power equal 17 watt. Here let's take another example on Kirchhoff law. Here we have these circuits. We have two independent current source, 1 ampere and 4 ampere. We have three different values of ohm. We have two nodes A, B, here the reference points. AC1 equal, go from this side, equal IA plus IAB. That's mean IS1, we can say, minus IS1 plus IA plus IAB equals 0 from Kirchhoff current law. From Ohm law, VA, that's mean IA, that's mean VA divided on 24 ohm. IAB equal VAB divided on 6 ohm is 4.1. Now, when dealing with the source number 2, for so IS2 equal, go from the side, IB plus IAB, and we can say minus 4 ampere plus IB plus IAB equals 0. From Ohm law, IB, that means VB divided on 2 ohm, IAB equal VAB on 6 ohm, to be like that, 4.2. Here, minus 1 plus VA on 24 plus VA minus VB divided on 6 equals 0. We divided this line to can calculate the VA with its elements to be like that. VA will equal 24 divided on 5, VB on 6 plus 1. Here, from equation 4.2 minus 4 plus VB on 2 plus VB minus VA on 6 equals 0. Here we have the VA equation. We can calculate the VB equation from this value. Here VB equal, after all these simplified, VB equal 15. We will do equation related with VB, will be here, started from equation 4.2, VB equal 4 divided on 6 equal 4 plus VA on 6. This will be important equation to us, and we will put the VA equation inside this equation to calculate the VB result. To be like that, equal 9 volts. After that, we will put the VB value, the VB result on VA equation here to be 24 divided on 5 between two brackets, 9 divided on 6 plus 1, 9 will be 3, 6 will be 2 plus 1 like I remember, will be equal 20 volt. That's it. Our lecture today is done. Have a good day, and thank you to your listening, your patience.